School after name Д.Шопоков. Fourth form, the fourth quarter. Teacher Аденова Гульдана Нурмаматовна. Hello everyone. Hello students. How are you? I am fine. And you? Okay, students, we have new theme. New theme is seasons and weather. Objectives of the lesson. A. To introduce with vocabulary and new theme. B. To develop skills reading, listening, and writing. C. To bring up love and interest to the subject and to respect each other. Okay, students, look the text about seasons. There are 4 seasons. They are winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Winter is a very cold season. There is usually much snow in winter. In spring, the trees become green and birds sing. In summer, it's hot. Summer is my favorite season. In autumn, the weather is usually rainy. Okay, look at the picture, students. Now, March, April, May are spring months. Yes? Of course. June, July, August are summer months. September, October, November are autumn months. December, January, February are winter months. Do you understand, students? Okay. Okay, look at the picture. The girl and the boy are playing. Yes? Yes, of course. Now, and it's maybe sun shining, maybe raining. Yes? Okay, students. I have any questions? Now the first question, how many seasons has a year? Do you understand? How many seasons? Of course, 4 seasons in a year. Yes? What seasons is it now? What season is it now? It is spring now. Yes, of course. What season is cloudy and rainy? Season is cloudy. Yes? Yes, of course. What season is hot and sunny? The season is hot. What season comes after autumn? Okay, winter season comes after autumn. Yes, of course. You're early. Okay, students, talk about the weather. How is the weather? What's the weather like? It's rainy, sunny, windy, hot, cold, warm, snowy, cloudy, cool. The nouns: sun, rain, snow, wind, cloud. The adjectives: sunny, rainy, snowy, windy, cloudy. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, look at the picture. Seasons. It is windy, it is snowy, it is frosty, it is foggy, it's rainy, it is cloudy, it is sunny. Yes? Okay. And we have 12 months in a year and 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Years? Of course. Now, what's the weather like today? For example, the weather is sunny. Yes? Sun shining. The weather is cold. The weather is cloudy. The weather is foggy. Yes? What weather is like today? Okay, today the weather is rainy, and I like the raining. Okay, what month is it? What month is it? January, F, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Of course. What season is it? It is winter. Yes? Of course. It is spring. It is, look at the third picture. It is summer. Yes, of course. Fourth picture. It is autumn. Of course. How is the weather? How's the weather? The first picture. It is cold. Yes? And snowy. Okay, you are really. The second picture. It is hot and rainy. Yes? Of course. You're really. What do you wear? What do you wear? You think. Okay? What can you do? What can you do? Fly a kite, go swimming, ride a bike, build a snowman, climb a tree, eat ice cream. You must find. Okay? Okay, students, I have tests about weather, seasons, months, days of the week. You should write name, and I give you score. The first, guess the month. A. In lovers celebrate Valentine's Day. It is the shortest month of the year. Okay, for example, in February, lovers celebrate Valentine's Day. Of course, yes, of course, it is the shortest month of the year. In children celebrate Mother's Day. This month is very pleasant. The weather is nice. It is warm and sunny. You understand? Now, for example, in March, children celebrate Mother's Day. This month is very pleasant. The weather is nice. It is warm and sunny. Yes, of course. You are really. In children finish school and the holiday begin. Do you understand? Yes. In July, children finish school and holiday begin. Okay. It is usually cold and rainy. In the USA, people celebrate Thanksgiving. You understand? Okay. In people celebrate New Year's Day and make New Year's resolution. Do you understand? Okay. In Irish, people celebrate Patrick's Day. You understand? Of course. In it is freezing and snowy, people celebrate Christmas and New Year's Eve. Do you understand? Yes, of course. It is in winter years. Okay. In children go to school, it is in autumn. Do you understand? Yes, of course. In September, children go to school, it is in autumn. Okay. Now unscramble the days of the week and write them the correct order. Okay? We have 7 days, and you should write 7 days. Maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay? Okay. Look at the book on page 166. Complete this exercise 2. Complete the sentence. Example. A spring starts in March. Okay? A spring starts in March. B. The year starts in January. Yes? Of course. C. Summer finishes in what month? Okay. D. North is in March. Okay. You're really. E. The last month of spring is last month. It's May. Yes? Okay. F. Children start school in. Children start school in September. Yes, of course. G. Winter starts is between September and November. Okay, winter starts in December, is between September and November. I. Men's Day is between March and May. You understand? Yes, of course. It's February. K. Summer starts in June. Okay. L. Autumn finishes in November. Okay. Is between June and August. July is between June and August. Of course. There are seasons in a year. How many seasons? There are 4 seasons in a year. And they are winter, spring, summer, autumn. Okay. Okay, work in groups, ask and answer. When is your birthday? My birthday is in spring. It's in May. Seasons of the year: winter, spring, fall, spring. Choose and write. Okay? In. It's warm and sunny. In. It's hot and sunny. In. It's cool. Trees are brown. In. It's cold. Okay, students, our homework: create your own crossword using the names of the month, seasons, weather. Lesson is over. Goodbye.